Building websites using AI become easy. I just built this particular website, which is a loan calculator, and it was just done using couple of prompts. You can see all those details it created. Let me show you in this video how can you generate any website, and that too using AI. So currently I'm in Hostinger website, and here they have now introduced one new product, that is Hostinger Horizon. Using just couple of prompts, you will be able to produce a stunning website, and that too within 4 to 5 minutes time. Let me show you step by step what can you do. Now this is the landing page of Hostinger Horizon. I have added one link in the description below. If you follow that link, you will be able to see this particular interface. Now here you can see it's asking that to give you a prompt, and using which it will generate that website. Let me open my Hostinger dashboard. I've been using Hostinger for last 3-4 years, and I already maintain some of the websites there. So let me show you my dashboard, and from there let me show you step by step how can you start creating a website, and that too using Hostinger Horizon AI capabilities. If I come to my Hostinger dashboard, so this is the view. From the left pane, I have selected website list, and this is the multiple different websites I maintain, and few of the websites I generated recently while recording few of the videos. So if I click on add website, you will be able to see one option, Hostinger Horizon. So if I click on that, then it will open a new prompt altogether, and there this kind of an interface you will be able to see. So this is the prompt box where you will be able to type your prompt. Now one thing you need to understand, Hostinger Horizon is a paid service, and there for free account they only give 5 credits, which means you will be only able to type your prompt 5 times. After that you need to go to a paid plan, otherwise it will not allow. And in the paid plan also they have some of the limitations on how many AI credits you will get. I'll show you all those options down the line. But before that, let us build the website first. After that we'll see all those nitty-gritties and what are the solutions are there. Now here, before writing any of the prompt, what I have done, I went to ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, are you familiar with Hostinger Horizon AI tool? Then it mentioned yes, because Hostinger have 2 different components, and both are AI tools. One is Hostinger Website Builder, that is also another AI based website builder, and I have a different video covering that particular topic. I'll add the link in the description below. And Hostinger Horizon is new. It came in market some 6 months back after this generative AI related revolution happened, and there they came up with a different product altogether. Now I want to ensure that ChatGPT understand which AI builder of Hostinger I'm talking about. So it mentioned yes, and it also shown all those photos that okay, this is the overview of the Hostinger Horizon website. Then I asked this particular prompt, I want to create a website that allows a loan interest calculator similar to bankrate.com. So I gave another reference of a website where they have certain loan calculator. So what we want to do, that our website, it will show you in case a loan is taken and how much of the interest, for how long that particular loan is, and it will show all those breakup. Now after that, it gave me this particular prompt. So I got a 2-paragraph length of a code, and that I will just copy. So in similar way, so you, instead of wasting Hostinger Horizon AI credits, you use ChatGPT or any other LLM tools where you have certain free limits are there, right? You can use that and you can generate that prompt and use that prompt within Hostinger Horizon. You can also read, and if you think that something needs to be changed, that also you can change. So that kind of control you will have. So now I have pasted my prompt here, which I copied from ChatGPT earlier. And if I now click on this button, then it will start generating that website for us. You can see it started working. It already showing that entire prompt, whatever I've written, and now it started working. You can see in the back end, it started writing the code for us. And here, all the summary, everything. Now, this is writing that code for us. It normally takes 2 to 3 minutes time, and after that it will give you an output, and let's see what it generates for us this time. Now, while it's generating the code, let me show you a few of the things. If I click on this particular option, here you will be able to see only 3 AI credits are left because I already used 2 today while I was building another website. Now you can see it generated the website for us. Last time it generated this website. It was in a light theme. This time what I have done, if you see, I mentioned here that visually appealing dark themed loan calculator, and now it changed the color scheme also. Let me show you a few of the things here. If I click on this particular icon, and then it will open in a new tab. This is the overall website. See the look and feel of the website and everything whatever it generated. Now let's test it out. How is it working? The loan amount, it mentioned $25,000. If I now increase, you can see the monthly payment, interest paid, total thing, everything is changing. Also, if I change the loan term, you can see this graphs, pie chart, everything is getting changed on the fly. So this is quite a responsive website in that way. Everything it's now working properly. Now you can see year by year how much payment you need to do, everything is mentioned. Now if I come back here, if I want to edit this particular website, I'll come to edit content, then you will be able to see all those areas it's editable. Now few of the areas you will be able to edit on the fly, and few of the areas you need to use prompt to change it. So if I click here, it is showing smart loan calculator. If I delete the smart, then it becomes loan calculator. If I save, then it will get changed here. But few of the areas, let me show you. If I click here, this text can be changed only through chat. So if you need to change anything, you need to reprompt. And whenever you are reprompting, it will take your credits. So that's the way they already have certain plans using which you will be able to edit your website. You will be able to make required changes. You will be able to maintain it. And this particular plan includes hosting charges also. So I'll show you all those details. But few of the things, let me also show you here. First of all, if you click on code, you will be able to see all those codes. You can copy it. And if you want to do your own development, you can reuse this code. As per their policy, you can use any of the code, whatever you are generating. So that's one part. Second one is there are multiple different other options are available. If you click on integrations, if you want to deploy a database behind this particular tool, that also you will be able to do. So Superbase is one of the database they use that you can do. If you are building another website where you want to sell something, that online store also you can start. You can also include Stripe payment in case you need certain things to sell and you want that payment gateway to be included. So all those things are available here. Now this is on the part of integration. Now if I click on publish, it will get published and you will get a link there. And once your website will be ready, you will also be able to connect using any of the domain. Now there is a difference between normal Hostinger plan and Hostinger Horizon plan. Hostinger normal plan comes with hosting space and you can buy domain. Now this is separate. If you already have a plan, that will not work here. For Hostinger Horizon, you need to take a separate plan. But if you already have a domain name available using your normal plan, you will be able to connect it here. If I click on publish, then it will publish this particular website and it will give you option to connect your domain also. Now this website has been published. Now it's showing me that get a domain. And if I click on it, now it is showing me that I already have one domain available in my profile and that it's showing here. But what I'll do, I'll go back. I'll not use that. But so net, you need to understand one thing. Hostinger have two different type of plan. One is their normal hosting space plan, which also comes with free domain. And that is for normal WordPress based website or Hostinger Builder. There is another AI tool. Using that, whatever websites you will be building, you will be able to use it. Hostinger Horizon is a different type of a plan. There they charge different money, and there also some of the plans are there where free domains also come. Let me show you very quickly. If I come here and I go for pricing, then you will be able to see this is the pricing they have. So they have 70 credits per month in this particular starter plan. The benefit with the starter plan is you'll be able to get one domain free for 1 year and also 2 free mailboxes. Now you will be also able to, using that same plan, you will be able to build 25 different websites, and the 70 credits means per month means 70 times you will be able to prompt. This website we built using one prompt only, but there will be certain changes required, right? We have not changed anything in that website. Whatever it was built in the first place, we just saw that thing. So your AI credits also will be required to make required changes and also to maintain your website. Whenever you will be integrating other integrations and other features within your website, that also will cost you some of the AI credits. So that's why they're giving 70 AI credits per month. You can also buy separately AI credits. That's also a possibility. So if I click on select plan, what it will show you that for the entire year, what will be the cost and whatever the things will be included. You can see it's a business website hosting, and their extra 2 months of additional benefits they are currently giving because of this Black Friday sale, and domain name is also included for free. Another thing is the link I have added, that's an affiliate link. Using that, you will be getting 20% discount on overall plan. You can see there is 2 options. One is 1 month plan. There is no free domain in the 1 month plan, and another one is 12 months. So you can take your own call. If you want to utilize this feature to build your website and maintain it, you will be able to do. One thing you need to understand, in case you are purchasing it from India, then on top of this price, GST price also will get included. But if you are watching this video from other part of the world, their required taxes also can get included on top of this particular price. So this is all about it. In case you are looking for any support to build your website, I have added one email ID below. You can also write it to me. I can also help you to build websites if you have any business requirement. Earlier I published another video where I covered how can you use another AI tool of Hostinger, that is Hostinger Website Builder. You can check this particular video to know everything about it. I have also added another video link here using which you will be able to create web apps using Google Gemini. Check out both of them. Both will give you certain understanding that how can you build those websites and how can you use it.